Hello guys, welcome back to Roblox Gaming. Today, I'm going to play Roblox with my friend Cyril. Me too. He's my brother. Cyril, come upstairs. Let me just check my chat. Oh my gosh. Shh. Okay, I'm gonna play with my friend Candy Bear, and then Cyrus gonna join Candy Bear and me.
I just scared.
I so you know Candy Bear is.
Cyril.
I so you know Candy Bear is. Oh my gosh, she's playing my favorite game. She's playing Fortnite Simulator.
I don't like Fortnite. No, I'm not. You don't like Fortnite?
Okay, let me just leave this game because my friend doesn't want to play. I'm playing.
Fine, I'll join you.
No, I'm playing Flood Escape.
Okay, yeah.
Going once, going twice, sold.
Whatever. Who wants to play with me? Okay, yeah, you're online. Hold on. Let me just click on you. Hey,
Oh my gosh, I'm not in the game yet. Now I am. Now I am.
They have an attic.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I refreshed it.
Go. Oh my gosh, it's so long. Oh, Insane's almost done, so run and hurry.
What?
Insane's done. Good,
Go in.
guys, I'm just gonna play one game. I'm just gonna play one game with no Cyril, okay, guys? Here we go. Guys, help me.
What?
Help me,
Okay, I just joined him.
Guys, spectate Lloyd. Spectate XXXJ. Okay, I just died. So I just died. So it's okay. Wow, guys, did you hear that? Subscribe to her channel. Where is she? Shush! Everybody, okay. Me and Sai are playing Flood Escape. Guys, my friend Emery's gonna join. Subscribe to her channel. It's called Weirdo. Because she's a weirdo, and I just died.
Hey, what about me?
Okay, hello neighbor. Hello neighbor.
Okay. I want to play Hello Neighbor. Wait, Lloyd, what's your channel called?
Oh, Roblox Gaming. Guys, subscribe, please. I will love you if you subscribe. I'll subscribe to your channel.
Yeah, this
Guys, my friend Emery's gonna record, so beware of that. Yeah! Her name is Weirdo in her channel. She has 56 subscribers. My friend says we're gonna die because we're shaking the bunk bed. Let's spectate Joshua Burns. Yeah, Joshua Burns is that Blade guy. No, the one with the hair guy. Guys, we're playing right now. Let's go, baby. Where? I'm just gonna follow my friend that's ready to go.
Okay,
Oh my gosh, I need some help. Oh, no fair. Haha, I'm already on top. Whee! No, I fell. Guys, help me. this is the.
This is the hardest one.
Yeah, that's the hardest. Emery, where are you?
I couldn't join. It's max people. I should just sit up here.
Oh shoot! This is familiar runs is easy, but it's hard.
Guys, is your friend?
No, he's a stranger.
And then,
So guys, we're playing Venice the Ruins. Yeah.
Okay, I am just beside Lloyd right now.
Oh, I see. It's like so. I'm just gonna watch you because I can't join.
This is insane.
Yeah, I know. It's one of the hardest.
I know. What the? What skin tone? You change your skin tone. We have the same skin tone. Yeah, I'm not even actually the thing that I did. Go! Yeah, they're the team. What are you gonna die? Oh my gosh.
You just knocked yourself down, baby.
Where do I go?
Yeah, exactly.
Where do I go?
No. I can
Play.
where you go.
Play on your first.
Guys, I didn't make it. Guys, I'm gonna leave the game.
Wow, left the game.
Guys, I'm gonna play one round of Speedrun 4.
Oh, you're gonna play Speedrun 4.
Yeah. Join me.
Why do you like this game?
Join me. Emery.
Okay, sure. Okay,
Fast.
Gold moon.
Okay, I'm
Do the
playing
cold moon. So guys, we're
Do
gonna
the
play some
cold
Speedrun
moon.
4.
Do the gold moon, okay?
Okay, I'll do the gold moon.
No, I said gold moon.
Gold moon.
There's a new gold moon.
The code.
It's moon.
I know it. The code is moon. Did you try it?
I'm joining. Just kidding. I was joining side game.
Okay.
Where's
So, the game code. Moon. Yay! Guys, I did it! Guys, the code is moon, so thanks.
What does moon do? What does moon even do?
No ads, no commercials, right guys? Moon means no commercial. Oh my gosh! Did you see that stats?
Wait, how much card did you even get?
I got $50.
I mean, how much card?
What card?
This card.
Oh shoot.
This card in that.
Oh, help me. Guys! Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video here.
Guys, let's
Guys,
start it.
see you guys later.